आदरणीय चीफ मिनिस्टर श्री उद्धव ठाकरे जी, आदरणीय इंडस्ट्री एंड माइनिंग मिनिस्टर श्री सुभाष देसाई जी, distinguished dignitaries, ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome. We are grateful to our Honorable Shri Uddhav ji and Honorable Shri Subhash ji for their gracious presence on this very important occasion for the chamber. Uddhav bhai, we are a 113-year-old chamber, basically rooted in Maharashtra and headquartered in Mumbai. The IMC Chamber of Commerce has been working very closely with the government of Maharashtra and always been in the forefront for supporting the state in case of calamities, be it floods or COVID, by contributing to the CM Fund. We are one of the largest chambers of the state and हम लोग 4 लाख businesses तक हमारी membership पहुंच है. उद्धव भाई, आपने हमें हमेशा ऑनर किया है. आप हमारे चेंबर में भी पहले आए हुए हैं और ये हमारी बड़ी गर्व की बात है कि रिस्पेक्टेड एंड रिवर्ड बाला साहेब जी had his blessings on the chamber and also honored us by addressing our members in the past. हम जब आपसे जुलाई में मिले थे, आपने हमको कहा था कि आप हमारे पास चेंबर में आएंगे, बट अब कोविड के कारण नहीं आ पा रहे हैं. और मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि जब कोविड की स्थिति कम हो जाएगी तो आप जरूर हमारे पास पधारेंगे. हम उसका वेट करेंगे. Subhash ji has not only visited IMC several times, but also heard us patiently and solved our problems. Thank you, Subhash ji. Maharashtra is going through the worst crisis ever, as it is the worst hit state by the coronavirus outbreak. And we admire the resolute fight that your administration has been giving to the pandemic and maintaining balance between life and livelihood. We believe that in such times as this, the private sector also should play its part to help the government build capacity and resilience for future shocks. There is a need to reboot, reform, and research the economy. With this in mind, the Chamber has decided Mission Engage Maharashtra to be its focus this year and will work closely with the government to help its efforts to revive the economy. IMC Mission Maharashtra would entail its various committees on this mission. In brief, our Agriculture and Food Processing Committee has planned a mega conference to boost the sector. Our Industry and Trade Committee has proposed to work closely with the Industry Ministry to address problems, explore finance, and provide mentorship to MSMEs. सुभाष जी, आपके नेतृत्व में और गाइडेंस से हमने एक MOU साइन किया था गवर्नमेंट ऑफ महाराष्ट्र से लास्ट ईयर, जो अनफॉर्चुनेटली एक्टिव नहीं हो पाया. मेरी दरख्वास्त रहेगी आपको और मुख्यमंत्री जी, आदरणीय मुख्यमंत्री जी को, कि इसको रिवाइव किया जाए, जैसे कि चेंबर इसमें एक्टिव हो सके और हम हमारे स्टेट के MSMEs की मदद कर सकें. Our International Business Committee would like to be actively involved with Magnificent Maharashtra and attracting foreign FDI to the state. Our Mediation Committee would provide free mediation services for intergovernmental issues. Our Ease of Living Committee is working on a white paper to provide improved quality of life and living in the state. Our Health Committee is carrying out an extensive study on how to provide accessible and affordable health infrastructure. Our Startup Committee has planned Spot On, an event to provide instant funding to selected startups. Our Digital Committee is launching ART, a platform to audit, recommend, and train MSMEs in the new digital world. Sab, this will be the platform which will be in English and Marathi, especially for the small and medium scale industries and the tiny industries of the state. That's why we have kept it in Marathi also, and will be launched later today. Apart from the above, Tourism, Infrastructure, Real Estate Development and Knowledge Committee are working on various recommendations for boosting the same in Maharashtra. साहब, मुझे पता है आपको जल्दी है, मैं आपका ज़्यादा समय नहीं लेना चाहता. हम सच्ची में बहुत गर्वित फील कर रहे हैं और ऑनर्ड फील कर रहे हैं जो आपने अपना समय हमारे लिए निकाला. उद्घाटन के पहले मैं एक बार आई विल रिक्वेस्ट Rahul Karbanda ji to create an illusionary prelude to the inauguration. Rahul ji has performed across the globe and dazzled audiences of all ages. His non-stop show is packed with stunning acts of creative appearances, levitations, mind-reading disappearances, and more. He has performed thousands of shows for corporates. Over to you, Rahul ji.
Namaskar. A very warm welcome to all the viewers in one of its kind virtual event. I am excited and thrilled to spread my magic here. First, I would like to thank the IMC Chamber of Commerce and Industries for giving me this opportunity, and I feel honored and privileged to share this virtual stage with the CM of Maharashtra, Honorable Shri Uddhav Thackeray ji. So without much ado, let's see what this amazing book is offering us. So I have a box with me, which is totally empty, and here's a little glimpse as to what this book, amazing book, is offering us. Mission Engage Maharashtra. Health and fitness, startup, industry and trade, digital innovation, infrastructure and real estate, travel, tourism and hospitality, international business, and many more, by the IMC Chamber of Commerce and Industries. So out of these, now these 9 cards, these 9 topics, these 9 amazing headings will compile into this amazing book by the IMC Chamber of Commerce and Industries. Over to the President of the IMC Chamber of Commerce and Industries. Thank you.
Thank you, Rahul ji. Thank you very much. उद्धव भाई, मैं आपको रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा इसका उद्घाटन आपके शुभ हाथों से हो इस पुस्तक का, तो मेरी दरख्वास्त रहेगी अगर आप इसका विमोचन करें और हमें ऑनर करें।
देखो, राहुल जी ने जादू किया, वहां से बुक मेरे हाथ में आ गया।
बहुत 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 धन्यवाद और आभार उद्धव भाई। अब मैं आपको रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा अगर आप कुछ शब्द कहें और हमें गाइड करें।
माझे मंत्रिमंडळातील सहकारी सुभाष देसाई जी आपको परिचित नहीं, और बाकी सारे आईएमसी के बुजुर्ग भी और नई जनरेशन भी, शैलेश जी दिखाई दे रहे हैं और कुछ लोग दिखाई दे रहे हैं, और जैसे आपने कहा राजू जी, तो मैं तो कई बार आ चुका हूं वहां पर। माननीय शिवसेना प्रमुख पण तिकडे यायचे। तुमच्या मेन हॉलच्या बाजूला एक कॉन्फरन्स रूम आहे, तिकडे कॉफी हाय टी करून मग आपण तिकडे तुमच्या त्या मेन याच्यात सभागृहात जात होतो। कई बार मैं आया हूँ, तब नानिक जी भी थे। विजन, मुंबई के लिए विजन क्या होगी, महाराष्ट्र के लिए विजन क्या होगी, ठीक है, तब एक सपना देखना, इसके अलावा हाथ में कुछ और था नहीं, लेकिन अब वो सपना देखते देखते सपना पूरा करने का अधिकार अपने हाथों में आ गया है। और मुझे खुशी है कि आप सारे लोग उसी उत्साह से आज भी हमारे साथ हो। तो ये जो सपना है वो सपना नहीं रहेगा, वो अभी सच्चाई में उतरेगा। बहुत ही पुराना संबंध है, रिश्ता है अपना, हमारा भी, परिवार का भी, और आपका मुंबई के साथ और महाराष्ट्र के साथ भी। जैसे आपने कहा कि कितने साल हो गए, 1907 के बाद आईएमसी काम कर रही है, म्हणजे स्वातंत्र्याच्या आधीचा काळ सुद्धा तुमच्या संस्थेने बघितलेला आहे आणि त्याच्यानंतर स्वातंत्र्यानंतरची ऑलमोस्ट 75 वर्ष, आता 1-2 वर्षात 75 वर्ष होतील. जमाना तो बदल गया, देश बहुत आगे बढ़ गया. आपके यहाँ भी जनरेशन के बाद जनरेशन आ गई, आ रही है, हमारे यहाँ भी जनरेशन के बाद जनरेशन आ रही है. ये तो चलता रहेगा. पण आपला जो काही एक रिश्ता आहे, नातं आहे, हे तुटता कामा नये आणि ते कदापि तुटू शकणार नाही. मला खरंच एक अभिमान आहे की जो एक कार्यक्रम घेऊन तुम्ही आलेला आहात, मॅग्नेटिक महाराष्ट्र. मैग्नेटिक मध्येच एक ताकद है और ये ताकद, कुछ लोग आ रहे हैं, आज भी आ रहे हैं, कुछ आपसे भी मिलेंगे, अरे भाई साहब हमारे यहाँ भी आ जाओ, लेकिन उनको पता नहीं कि अपना मैग्नेटिक जो एक ताकद है वो इतना जबरदस्त है कि अपने यहाँ से वहां उनके यहाँ कोई जाना तो दूर ही, लेकिन ऐसे नहीं हो जाए कि उनके यहाँ से हमारे यहाँ कोई लोग आ जाए. कारण महाराष्ट्र एक वेगळं राज्य आहे, वेगळं संस्कार है, संस्कृति है, कल्चर तो है ही, और इसलिए महाराष्ट्र आगे बढ़ रहा है. हमें कोई जेलसी नहीं, कोई दूसरा कोई आगे बढ़ सकता है, चलो रेस कॉम्पिटिशन करो, बढ़ो आगे, हमें कोई आपत्ती नाही आहे. पण ओढून ताणून कोण जर का घेऊन जात असेल तर ते ऑफकोर्स मी काय होऊ देणार नाही आणि आपणही मला असं वाटतं कोणी जायला तयार होणार नाही. या निमित्ताने मी बऱ्याच दिवसांनी आपल्या समोर आलेलो आहे. एक बात जरूर है कि कोविड के कारण हम ऐसे नहीं मिल रहे हैं. आज भी आपके यहाँ भी मैं देख रहा हूँ, जो भी 1 से अधिक लोग हैं, मास्क पहनकर बैठना जरूरी है. काय काय जणांनंतर मास्कची इंडस्ट्री उघडलेली आहे, चांगलं आहे. एक गोष्ट संकटामध्ये सुद्धा पुढे कसं जायचं हा मार्ग आपल्याला शोधत जावा लागतो. पण ज्या वेळेला हे संकट कमी होईल तेव्हा मी नक्की आपल्याकडे येईन आणि नुसतं मी आपल्या सोबत तिकडे आलो म्हणजे आपल्या बरोबर आहे अशातला भाग नाही. आता सुद्धा आपले माननीय उद्योग मंत्री सुभाष देसाईजी तुमच्या सोबत आहेतच. तुम्ही सगळे मला ओळखता, माझ्या कुटुंबाला ओळखता, आमच्या जनरेशन्सना ओळखता तुम्ही. याच्यामुळे मला आणखीन वेगळं काही भाषण करण्याची आवश्यकता नाहीये. भाषण तो जो लोग नए होते हैं उनके सामने देने की आवश्यकता होती है. आप तो लोग मेरे अपने हो और अब मैं महसूस करता हूँ हमेशा कि जब भी मैं आपके यहाँ आता हूँ तो महसूस करता हूँ मैं अपने परिवार में आया हूँ, अपने घर में आया हूँ. तो घर में उठकर कोई भाषण नहीं देता. ठीक है, घर में एक फैमिली है, परिवार है. क्या भाई आप क्या करना चाहते हो, बहन जी आप क्या करना चाहते हो, क्या दिक्कत है आपको. आता तर आपलं राज्य आहे, सत्ता आहे आपल्या हातामध्ये आणि दोघांचं उद्दिष्ट एक आहे, राज्य को आगे बढ़ाना है. याच्यामध्ये कुठली काही अडचणी असतील, अडथळे असतील तर ते आपण नक्की दूर तर करतोच आहोत. नवीन नवीन इन्व्हेस्टमेंट येते आहे, आपण सुद्धा नवीन इन्व्हेस्टमेंट आणता आहात आपल्या माध्यमातून. तुम्ही जे आता 1907 पासून 113 वर्ष आयएमसी या मुंबईमध्ये आणि महाराष्ट्रात आणि या देशात काम करते. मला असं वाटतं की तुम्हीच आपल्या राज्याचे ब्रँड एम्बेसेडर झाले पाहिजे की हम 100 साल से भी अधिक इस राज्य में है और यहाँ कोई दिक्कत नहीं आ रही हमें. तुम्ही जर का एक ब्रँड एम्बेसेडरचं काम केलं तर मला नाही वाटत आणखीन कोणाची गरज आहे की आपल्याला महाराष्ट्राचं मार्केटिंग करायला पाहिजे. तुम्ही एक यशस्वी एक काय म्हणायचं तुम्ही यशाची गाथा किंवा यशाची गोष्ट ही तुम्ही सांगू शकता की आम्ही पिढ्यानपिढ्या इकडे राहतो आहोत आणि आम्हाला इकडे कोई कुठली कठिनाई नहीं आई है, दिक्कत नहीं आई है. जब भी कोई समस्या आती है तो सरकार हमारे साथ रहती है, हमारा साथ निभाती है और इसलिए हम महाराष्ट्र तो छोड़कर नहीं जाना चाहते, बल्कि बाहर से, वो चाहे महाराष्ट्र के बाहर या देश के बाहर विदेश से भी कोई आना चाहते हैं तो उनके लिए आप एक काय करण्याचं मी म्हणेन महाराष्ट्राचे दूत म्हणून तुम्ही समोर गेलं पाहिजे. माझं फक्त एकच म्हणणं आहे की या सगळ्या काळामध्ये संपूर्ण जगाची अर्थव्यवस्था नाही म्हटलं तरी थोडी स्लोडाऊन झालेली आहे, जरूर झालेली आहे. पण स्लोडाऊन जरी झाली असली तरी आता आपण बघतो की थोडंसं आपण ओपन केल्यानंतर ही इकॉनॉमी परत वरती आलेली आहे. म्हणजे काय की पैसा नाहीसा नाही झाला, जसं डिमॉनिटाइजेशन के वक्त हुआ था, पूरी नोटी पैसा ही गायब हुआ था, पैसा गायब नहीं हुआ है, लेकिन जब वो चक्र शुरू हो जाएगा तो पैसा आगे आगे उसका बहना शुरू हो जाएगा. आणि त्याच्यासाठी मला असं वाटतं काही तुमच्या ज्या काही सूचना आहेत त्याची फार आवश्यकता आहे. नेमकं काय करायला पाहिजे, कुठे अडलाय पैसा, कुठे काय प्रॉब्लेम झालेला आहे, ह्या गोष्टी तुम्ही जर का सुचवत गेलात. आणखीन इज ऑफ डुईंग बिझनेस म्हणजे काय करना चाहिए. हर बिझनेस की अलग अलग बातें होती है. नुसतं इज ऑफ डुईंग बिझनेस म्हणून होणार नाही, तर प्रत्येक बिझनेसला काय करायला पाहिजे, अटी तटी शर्ती कोणत्या थोड्याशा सोप्या केल्या पाहिजेत. परवानग्या आता आपण खूप कमी केलेल्या आहेत, आणखीन पण करतो आहोत. एक प्यारा शब्द होता है वन विंडो सिस्टम. वो भी विंडो कितनी बड़ी होनी चाहिए, कितनी छोटी होनी चाहिए, एक होनी चाहिए जरूर, लेकिन वो खुली भी तो होनी चाहिए. लेकिन वन विंडो है और वो विंडो हमेशा के लिए बंद आहे, तो फायदा नाहीये. तर त्याच्यामध्ये तुमच्याकडनं काही सूचना पाहिजेत की नवीन गोष्टी आम्ही काय करू शकतो. मध्ये तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना कल्पना आहे की जवळपास 60,000 कोटीचे एमओयूज आपण देशी आणि विदेशी कंपन्यांबरोबर केले. हमेशा यही बात होती है कि एमओयू होते हैं और बाकी सारी बातें हम भूल जाते हैं. वैसा हुआ नहीं और होगा भी नहीं. मैंने कई बार कहा है कि जून में जितने एमओयूज हुए थे उनमें से ऑलमोस्ट 70% जो एमओयूज में जरूरी बातें थी वो बातें हुई है. लैंड दे दी गई है, परमिशंस दे दी गई है, बाकी सारी चीजें वो भी चलती रही है. और मैं तो पीछे पड़ा हूं. जल्द से जल्द सिर्फ 50,000 60,000 नहीं 1,00,000 करोड़ से भी ज्यादा इन्व्हेस्टमेंट अपने स्टेट में आनी चाहिए, मुंबई में, महाराष्ट्र में आनी चाहिए. आणि ही जर यायची असेल तर नुसतं तोंडी किंवा कागदावर तर बोलून चालणार नाही. प्रत्यक्ष काम झालं पाहिजे. आणि ते काम करत असताना तुमच्या सगळ्यांची मला आवश्यकता लागणार आहे, मदत लागणार आहे. आणि म्हणून आपण जे म्हणतो की मिशन एंगेज महाराष्ट्र, त्या निमित्ताने तुमच्या काही गोष्टी कल्पना असतील त्या तर पाहिजेच. पण मी पुन्हा पुन्हा सगळ्यांना सांगेन की तुम्ही महाराष्ट्राचा चेहरा म्हणून देशाला आणि जगाला सांगितलं पाहिजे की तुम्ही आमच्याकडे आहात. तुमच्या माध्यमातून नवीन लोक आली पाहिजेत. आणि मगाशी जो मी एक मुद्दा तुम्हाला सांगत होतो, सांगता सांगता थोडासा बाजूला गेलो, तो म्हणजे जब हम विकास की बात करते हैं तो इन्वेस्टमेंट जरूरी है जरूर, लेकिन विकास के साथ साथ जो कॉमन मैन है उसके रोजी रोटी का भी एक काम हमें करना पड़ता है. उसको रोजी रोटी कैसे मिले. विकास मतलब सिर्फ मशीन लाए और ऑटोमेटिक सब प्लांट चल रहा है तो मैं, हाँ विकास है लेकिन वो पूरा विकास नहीं है. जब लोगों को रोजी रोटी मिलती है, अदरवाइज अगर जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी हम क्रिएट नहीं करेंगे तो जो भी हम प्रोडक्शन करेंगे वो खरीदेगा कौन. जे कस्टमर आहेत तो कॉमन मॅन आहे. त्यांची बाईंग कॅपॅसिटी, परचेसिंग पॉवर तुला वाढली पाहिजे. आणि ती वाढवायची असेल तर जॉब अपॉर्च्युनिटी म्हणजे आपल्याकडे आपण महाजॉब पोर्टल वगैरे जे केलेले का केलेले आहे, तो ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोक उनको काम मिले, त्यांच्या घरातली चूल पेटेल. आणि ती पेटवायची असेल तर ह्या तुमच्या मिशन एंगेज महाराष्ट्राच्या माध्यमातून मग तुम्ही डिजिटल काही क्रांती रिव्होल्युशन करा, आणखीन काही करा, पण त्याच्यामध्ये जास्तीत जास्त लोकांना, जनतेला आपल्याला आपण जॉब जर का देऊ शकलो तर ते सुद्धा एक सुखी समाधानी असं आयुष्य जगतील. महाराष्ट्र पण पुढे जाईल, तुम्ही सुद्धा पुढे जाणार. आणि महाराष्ट्र एक वेगळं उदाहरण ह्या विचित्र कोरोना कोविडच्या परिस्थितीमध्ये जगाच्या समोर ठेवू शकेल की सगळीकडे अडीअडचणी असताना महाराष्ट्राने एकमेकाला सांभाळून, मग ते वर्कर्स असतील, इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट असतील, त्यांना एकमेकाला सांभाळून, एकमेकाचा हात पकडून, सरकारचा पाठिंबा घेऊन, सरकारचं तर साथ सोबत तर आहेच, ती घेऊन पुढे कसं जायचं हे महाराष्ट्र दाखवून देऊ शकेल. आणि म्हणून मला असं वाटतं की ह्या अभियानाचं उद्घाटन माझ्या हस्ते करताय. मला सगळ्यांना धन्यवाद द्यायचे की तुम्ही ही संधी मला दिलीत. पण मी वचन देतो की नुसतं उद्घाटन करून मी गप्प बसणार नाही. मी पूर्णपणे, पूर्ण ताकदीने, मी स्वतः आहे उद्योग मंत्री आणि पूर्ण महाविकास आघाडीचं सरकार आहे. तुमच्या प्रत्येक गोष्टीत जिथे जिथे तुम्हाला काही अडथळा येईल किंवा जिथे जिथे तुम्हाला चांगल्या कल्पना सुचतील आणि आवश्यकता लागेल तिथे पूर्णपणे तुम्हाला साथ दिल्याशिवाय राहणार नाही. आपण एकत्र येऊन हा महाराष्ट्र जो बलवान आहेच तो आणखीन बलवान करूया. सगळ्यांना एकदा पुन्हा धन्यवाद देतो, शुभेच्छा देतो. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.
जय महाराष्ट्र. थैंक यू उद्धव भाई, आपने जो आपके वचन कहे हमको, एंड वी आर रियली एंथ्यूज्ड बाय योर वर्ड्स एंड वी विल फॉलो व्हाट यू हैव सेड. इसीलिए हमने एंगेज महाराष्ट्र का मिशन लिया है क्योंकि ये हमारा स्टेट है. हम यहाँ से स्टार्ट किए हमारी जर्नी. आज 113 साल हो गए हैं और हमें महाराष्ट्र में ही हैं. आगे हमारा है मेंबरशिप सब जगह इंडिया में, बट मेन हमारा गढ़ ही महाराष्ट्र है. और मैं आपको आश्वासन दिलाना चाहता हूँ चेंबर की तरफ से कि हम महाराष्ट्र के साथ हैं और हमेशा रहेंगे. आपकी लीडरशिप में इस कोविड के परिस्थिति में भी आपने इतना अच्छा काम किया है और इतना इन्वेस्टमेंट लाया है, फॉरेन इन्वेस्टमेंट, ये बहुत सराहनीय है. और थैंक यू आपके वर्ड्स के लिए और ये उद्घाटन के लिए टाइम निकालने के लिए.
सॉरी, एक ही सेकंड. अभी एंगेज महाराष्ट्र, मिशन एंगेज महाराष्ट्र में मैं सुभाष देसाई को आपके साथ एंगेज कर मैं थोड़ा सा निकलता हूँ दूसरे.
नहीं, मुझे जाना है, जानता हूँ. थैंक यू साहब, आप इतना समय निकाले.
नमस्कार नमस्कार नमस्कार.
थैंक यू उद्धव भाई, थैंक यू. We'll just wait 2 minutes for Honorable Subhash ji to join. So we have Subhash ji come in?
No.
Okay.
His video is still off.
Okay. So it's a very historical day for IMC, and thank you everybody for joining us. We've yet got a long program. We have Subhaji to give us his guidance, and we are also launching the art program by our digital committee today. We'll just wait a few minutes for Subhaji, our Honorable Minister, to join us. In the meanwhile, I just want to tell all our members that it's our mission in Engage Maharashtra, and we are all our committees are committed to this. We had a talk with our chairmen, and they are all enthusiastic to work for Government of Maharashtra and see how best we can help reboot, reform, and research the economy in Maharashtra. We need your support too. And thank you very much for being with us. I am not ending this now. As I said, we are just waiting for Subhashji to join. In maybe another couple of minutes. He's there. I know he's with Honorable CM, and I think they just, CM must be just going for another meeting. He must be just discussing.
I think he is joined
Okay.
in one.
Okay. So could you please?
राजीव जी नमस्कार.
नमस्कार साहब. Namaskar sahab, we are so lucky and so fortunate and so honored to have your blessings always with us. And you have always been, whenever we've come to you with any issues or for anything, you have always said that you're always available to help us to find a solution. Even in our last interaction, immediately you gave us solutions, and we are really grateful from the chamber. And thank you very, very much for everything, sir. I would like to request you to please give us your guidance and please say a few words.
Thank you, Rajiv ji, and all the dignitaries and participants. I'm really glad to participate in this IMC mission Engage Maharashtra. This is a wonderful event, and I was waiting to be a part of it. And I'm so inspired with the kind words of Honorable Chief Minister. He has certainly guided us and expressed his vision towards the growth and prosperity of our state. Our Honorable Chief Minister also expressed his pride being associated with IMC Chamber, and he recollected memories of his multiple visits to IMC Chamber, and he cherished the memories of various events took place in IMC Chambers, and has assured all of us every cooperation at every step, at any issue or suggestion made by the IMC office bearers. So on this note, we take this forward, and I am sure this IMC mission Engage Maharashtra will prove to be a great success. I have been fortunate to visit IMC at different occasions. And I remember one occasion when we engaged various farmer producer companies, and they presented their cases and their concerns and their aspirations. And we, both the sides, the businessmen, members of IMC, and the farmer producer company representatives exchanged their views and how to engage with each other with some new ideas of taking our agriculture sector to next level. Now recently, Honorable Chief Minister inaugurated a series of warehouses provided for onions we know onion is a perishable goods, and the farmers get lost when the prices go down, and they cannot make best use of their produce. They don't get better results. To stop this loss, the necessary infrastructure is to be created, and farmers themselves coming on one platform of farmer producer company erected with the help of government of Maharashtra and with help of NAFED of government of India. They created warehousing facilities at various towns and at tehsil levels where the farmers can bring their goods and store. They can store the onion or mix together until that commodity reaches a fair and reasonable price, and then they can sell into the market. So this certainly help the farmers bringing better price for their produce. They have more ideas now. The world over, there is a great concern about healthcare, and people across the globe are engaged in developing various products for healthcare, particularly disinfectants and boosting the immunity of human race. So for these various products are needed to be developed, and for these products, the raw material is agriculture produce. For example, ginger is now best in demand. The growing demand for ginger. Another commodity is turmeric. Now there are orders after orders being received by our producers in districts like Hingoli, district like Sangli, and so many districts in Maharashtra. The farmers are receiving bulk orders from different countries for such kind of agriculture produce. We don't have to stop here only. We grow the crop and they export. No, we need to make value addition. And here our businessmen are required to engage with the farmers. And here I appeal one and all, the members of IMC chamber, to now concentrate their attention towards this fact that our farmers need to go for value addition, and for value addition there needs to be business strategies, more investment, and more than investment, brilliant ideas where we can generate, produce, innovate different healthcare products out of India's agricultural produce. So here is a great opportunity in this field, and I just saw in this the book which is now published by Honorable Chief Minister. You have a chapter on healthcare, and here there is a great opportunity to present our agricultural activities, engage them with the healthcare product manufacturers, and try to export these products in much demand to different countries. With this, it could be a win-win situation for both businessmen and our farmers. So here I just try to bring your attention to one aspect of Mission Engage Maharashtra, the healthcare and agriculture. I think I need not take much of your time. I know the day long, it is going to be a very, very meaningful dialogue between the members and the experts. So I would request the organizers to share the glimpses, the brief notes of the proceedings so that my department, my government would be able to understand the concerns and ideas of the businessmen, traders, and manufacturers from all the regions, where from you all gentlemen and ladies are participating today. With these words, thank you very much. Once again, I thank Rajiv Kotlarji and his entire team for giving me this opportunity and reposing their confidence. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
Thank you so much, Subhashji. Thank you so much. You've been so kind. I have no words to express. I would just like to say that your point on agriculture, value addition is very well taken. Our agriculture committee already is working on value chain of tomatoes for the last 2 years. And now we are looking at another product. So we will take up ginger or turmeric. I will request the committee chair to do that. Healthcare is on our priority. And also we'll request that our industry committee, we had an MOU where we wanted to, it was your vision to mentor the small scale and medium scale industry. We'll continue with that MOU and we'll request you to have that extended, and we'll work closely with your ministry also and other ministries in Maharashtra. Sab, I'll request you just 5 minutes if you spare. We are launching this ART, and if you can kindly spare just 5 more minutes, then it's a digital platform in Marathi and English, and it's going to be very useful, especially for the MSME sector, to become familiar with the new digital world, and it will help the industry, especially in Maharashtra and across India also, but we are launching in Maharashtra only right now this year. So with that, just 5 minutes, and then I know you're short of time, you have to leave. But thank you very, very much for sparing your time, Sab, and being with us. Jai Maharashtra. May I request Sumit ji to quickly give a synopsis. Sumit Rajwade ji, the co-chair of the Digital Committee, before Sab leaves. Just in 5 minutes, if you can just give us a very brief, and then you can continue with that.
Hello, thank you Rajesh ji for giving this opportunity, and a warm welcome Subhashji Desai ji. I'm representing Digital Committee, and in next 3 to 4 minutes we'll show you what we have done. So Selvi, I have a share screen feature available, right?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm sharing what we are trying to do right now. We are essentially launching a new digital ART tool, which is Audit, Recommend and Train tool. This is an initiative to make digitally sound Maharashtra, digitally sound Bharat. The simple philosophy behind this tool is there is a demand from the business, from the tier 2, tier 3 towns also, where they don't get access to the right information in terms of what is needed for them to be digitally ready. There are consultants that are available all over the state to give this information. And the real missing gap is a clear understanding of areas for the business and a real relevant service to be offered. So we have built a tool, we call it Vishwas and Jagrukta, which is assurance and awareness, which is built in the mobile app. And in your presence, we would like to have this launch. The tool offers a pinpoint guided assistance to small and medium organizations in terms of what is relevant for their business to go digital, and consultants to give consultancy. So Subhashji, in your presence, can we announce the launch of this tool today, which is digitalart.imc.in?
Yes, of course.
Thank you. So this is the product that we have launched today, and you can see this as a tool. Is it visible, Selvi?
Yes, it is visible.
Yes, yes.
The mobile part is visible.
Yes.
So you can see that the tool is available in English as well as
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
This
It is a brilliant idea, and all our members would be certainly impressed, and they would continue to use this platform.
Thank you, sir. And as you can see, the tool is available in English as well as Marathi. And we can launch this. It has 7 sections. You can go and see the assessment. It's a simple filling of usernames, and we are currently catering to 3 types of organization, which is
So, Sumit, you're still on the launching screen.
Okay, one sec. So
Yeah.
I think Subhaji needs to leave. So
That's
Sumit ji
okay.
will
Yeah.
that. Thank you, Sab, for being with us. Very grateful. Thank you. I think Subhaji has. Yes, now Sumit ji, please continue. Sorry.
Yeah. Okay. So I'm sharing my screen in terms of the actual site,
Yeah.
and this is the site. The site is digitalart.imc.net and .imcnet.org. You can see the tool, Selvi, now.
Yes, yes.
Okay, the same tool is available in English as well as colloquial Marathi. This is not the high-end Marathi, but this is the Marathi that is used in the regular language, which is the way we speak. That's why some of the words can be seen in English transliterated in Marathi format. You can do the assessment by simply giving a form, which is filled where you are entering the basic information in terms of who you are, where you are, and the most important part is this tool is now catering to services, trading, and manufacturing organizations also. So you can see the proceeding of the training. There are 33 questions spread across 7 sections, which give a very simple multiple choice questions to be answered. And after all the completion of these sections, which are around leadership, customer engagement, risk and governance, technology enterprise platform, data strategy, etc., what you can see is this report. Just let me know when the report is visible, Selby.
Yeah, yeah.
Now this report, is the report visible, Selby?
A trading organization.
Yes,
Well,
that is.
okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So this
Right.
report covers what is the objective of the report.
Hmm.
What all sections
Yes.
it contains technology, familiarity, and leadership, and there is a score and there is a narrative, which is a very pinpoint narrative given in terms of why the score is green, yellow, or red, and what the businesses have to do. We are spanning areas such as technology leadership, customer relationship management, production, service, and procurement, human resource and administration, data strategy, enterprise technology strategy, and risk and governance. And finally, there is a final score where a business comes to know in a very pinpoint manner that customer relationships and data strategy and enterprise technology needs attention. It's not just that, we have built a very fantastic, easy to understand chart where based on our own intelligence, we have figured out what is the important areas for the business and where they have good control or where they lack control. And based on the areas which are marked in pink or red in color, we show that the leadership lacks hands-on skills. For example, in this case, the customer relationship is lacking multiple channel communications, and production and service delivery is lacking the automation. Finally, there are options in the questions which are not applicable, and if we feel they are important to the business, we also identify the areas where people have said it is not applicable, but we feel it is important for the business to run, such as in this case, production and service delivery, automation of process such as PO and vendor communication, though they feel is not applicable, is important for business growth. And for human resource, an HR process linked with ERP and financial system will give them a better understanding of costs and overall understanding of the product. So we have built this. This is our first step. What we have done so far is what I have shown, and what we are planning to do going forward is, the future work creates a assessment tool where we can reassess. The same businesses can come again and track their progress periodically where the areas of weakness are controlled. We also plan to create industry specific benchmarks in coming days and weeks so that it will allow businesses to compare themselves and bridge the gaps, and enhance the tool to offer remote training to business owners to drive their awareness, and onboard consultants to offer the right kind of consultancy for helping businesses to embark this journey. I would like to thank at this moment the IMC president and the management team for giving us this opportunity to launch the platform. The core ART team consists of 100+ years of years experience, comprising of absolute stalwarts such as Dr. Pradeep Mukherjee, Dr. Ranjit Nair, Dr. Pradeep Pense, and Mr. Mukesh Kriplani, who has built the entire experience together in this user-friendly tool. Digital Committee Chairman Mrs. Jankana Desai and Co-Chairman Harish Tibrewal, who also offered a UI or usability interface that you can see today. And finally, IMC technology team of Selby and others to put this up together in the shortest possible time. Our mission is to retain the core and transform the business to make it relevant for the future. And with this, I thank you all for witnessing this opportunity. The go-to URL is digitalart.imcnet.org, and we'll publish the final production URL in coming days, where all businesses, their associations and the members of their associations can use this to build a digitally sound Maharashtra going forward. Thank you.
Sir,
Sorry, sorry. Thank you, Sumit ji. Excellent work done by you and your team. I must compliment the entire committee. Great work, and IMC is really looking forward to this. I'm sure it will help many MSMEs to digitalize and come to the new world. With this, I will request our Vice President, Juzabhai Kurakiwala, to kindly give the vote of thanks. Juzabhai, over to you. Okay. Sorry, I would also, 1 minute, I would like to acknowledge the presence of our chamber friend, Mr. Bhushan Gagrani, for being with us today. As you know, he's been very active and responsible for the magnificent Maharashtra and bringing investments into Maharashtra. He's headed several posts. Thank you, Bhushan Bhai, for being with us. Really grateful. And also several council generals are with us, I can see, and I'm really grateful to them for having joined us. Thank you very, very much. Over to you, Juzabhai.
Thank you, Rajiv ji, and good afternoon to everybody. It is my privilege to give this vote of thanks to our Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Uddhavji Thackeray. IMC Chamber of Commerce and Industry is extremely grateful for your gracious presence as our chief guest to inaugurate this initiative, Mission Maharashtra. Sir, you have really spoken from your heart when you said that you are one of us and we are one of you. And you really recognize the contribution IMC is making towards developing Maharashtra. Thank you for this honor that you have bestowed on us this afternoon. Our Honorable Minister for Industries and Mining, Shri Subhasji Desai, the Chamber is always grateful for your presence here. As you have always been a very good friend and benevolent for us. This chamber is so fortunate in having your continuing support and encouragement. It is indeed an honor for us. You have mentioned about health and agriculture, and we are certainly looking at it very seriously, and we will shortly be coming to you with a white paper on health for Maharashtra. So drawing its membership from across the country, IMC has been quintessentially rooted in Maharashtra, having its headquarters in Mumbai, and has been working closely with the government of Maharashtra for decades for promoting industrial and economic development of the state since its inception in 1907. Today marks a new milestone in IMC's relationship with the state of Maharashtra. Today heralds a closer working partnership with the government of Maharashtra to build and sustain an economically strong and resilient state with the launching of Mission Engage Maharashtra. I'm confident that this partnership will greatly benefit all the people of Maharashtra. On behalf of the Chamber, I thank distinguished officials of the government of Maharashtra, governors and past presidents, consul generals, members of its managing committee, distinguished members of the Chamber and invited guests, and members of the media for joining us today on the historic occasion of beginning of a unique public-private partnership. Our grateful thanks to Rahul Ji Kharbanda for doing a wonderful Illusion Act for us, and Hari Ayyappa of Archer Events to organize it for us. And I must also thank the IMC team under Ajit Mangulekar for organizing this wonderful event. Thank you all for being with us. Thank you. Jai Maharashtra, Jai Hind.